Today we are servicing a 21 Volvo XC90 with the eRAD. So the eRAD is the electric rear axle drive. That's right here. So this car has a ICE engine front wheel drive and a rear wheel electric drive. Two different systems that they both work together. Something real quick to note, as I was looking at the rear axle suspension on this car, it has like the old Corvette style leaf spring. It's got like a composite leaf spring. There's no other like airbag helper springs or anything. It's just this spring. Okay, but what we're here to talk about is the fluid that we took out of this eRAD. This is all the fluid that we took out. It's about a half a liter. Total like new fill quantity is 0.8 liters. So this is as much as you can get out during a service. This car has 50,000 miles. It does have a brownish tinge to it, but still it's, got a pretty golden color. Not too bad. If you kind of look here and you kind of watch the bottom there and you're looking for any like metal pieces. I don't see any large metal pieces, so that's good. The drain plug does have a magnet on it, so I just wanted to show you that. This is the magnet untouched here. I've not cleaned it off yet. I'll kind of wipe this magnet clean, and you can see the sludge that comes off of this magnet. Now, this sludge that's coming off this magnet is clutch material that is inside that oil. So it's got like a wet clutch. You can see it's just kind of, no big chunks. This would be considered very normal. It's acceptable. There's no problems with this eRAD unit. We're only doing this to service the eRAD unit, just for preventative maintenance. Vehicle owner is very concerned about all the previous eRAD units failing. And so this is the second generation eRAD. So we are going to go put fresh eRAD fluid back in. We're gonna clean this magnet off and get that nice and clean just like that. We are going to put the factory eRAD fluid back in it. This is Volvo, they call it transmission oil. We're lubricating the gears in here. It's got some special formulas to lubricate the clutch mechanism. You do have to pump the fluid in because the fill plug is way up there. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah. So follow this red hose. Maybe you can get a look at it from over here, right where my finger is, right there. And then our drain plug is right here. Yeah. All right, so what do we got? We got to pull that thing out. Is it leaking? Dribbling out? Oh yeah, all right, that's all right. Let's see how much we're gonna get back in there. So what we did is we took out about a half a liter of fluid, and then we pumped in this liter of fluid. Oh, it's kind of spilling everywhere. It smells just like gear oil. What it holds is about 0.8 of a liter. I'm just trying to judge and gauge if we put in more than what we took out. Now some already spilled before I captured it. Maybe it was 50 milliliters, maybe 100 milliliters came out. So you need a stubby 6mm Allen. This is a 1/4 inch drive. Anything longer than that's not really gonna fit in here. It'll fit down on the bottom, but it won't fit the fill plug. On this side we have our liter marker. So here's 1 liter up here, right? And this is what we took out, maybe 0.4 liters. And what we got back in was considerably more. Some did drip out. I mean, I've got about, what do I have here? I've got about, what is this, our full liter. That's about 100 milliliters. Maybe I didn't capture the first 100 milliliters that came out. So I mean, we got a full 0.8 back into there, and we only drained a half a liter out of it. Is it underfilled from the factory? I don't know. Did some leak out? I don't think so. This thing's bone dry underneath. So maybe the factory fill is a little bit low. Maybe that's why the fluid could be overheating, causing problems on these eRADs. I don't know. I'd have to service like maybe 10 more to really kind of know that really kind of understand how much we're taking out and how much we're putting back in. The spec does say that it holds 0.8 liters. And we pretty much got 0.8. We pumped the entire liter out of that bottle and then captured what came back out of the fill plug. Maybe I missed the first 100 milliliters. I would have been a little bit more careful if I thought that it was, 40% underfilled. Because if that has 0.4 of a liter and we got 0.8 in it, that's 50% underfilled. But this one's topped off, so it's good. It's ready to go.